Ever wondered if Pelvini watches are truly the deal they claim to be, or just another online trap dressed up as luxury? Pelvini.com markets itself as the place to get stylish, high-end looking watches without breaking the bank, but a closer look raises some questions. For starters, the website is relatively new, and there's almost no information about the founders or the company behind it, which immediately puts trust on shaky ground. The product images themselves are another concern. They appear to be copied from other sources and don't give a realistic sense of the actual watch quality. Reviews on the site look overly polished, with many possibly recycled from other sites, making it difficult to tell if real customers are satisfied or if these are just marketing tools to lure buyers. The watches are extremely affordable, but the low price might reflect mass production standards rather than true craftsmanship, meaning what you see in photos may not match what you get in hand. Shipping times and customer service responsiveness are vague, adding another layer of uncertainty. There's no clear warranty policy or return procedure outlined, so if something goes wrong, buyers might find themselves stuck. While the designs do look attractive, and the idea of luxury-inspired watches at low prices is appealing, the combination of a new domain, lack of transparency, copied images, and questionable reviews makes it hard to fully trust the site. It's not a complete disaster, as some people might receive watches that meet their expectations, but there's enough ambiguity to make anyone pause before ordering. If you're drawn to Pelvini watches, proceed cautiously, research thoroughly, and consider that what seems like a bargain could come with hidden compromises. For those who value clarity, quality, and reliable service, the site currently leaves too many unanswered questions to confidently call it either a must-buy or a scam. The uncertainty itself is a strong signal to weigh your options carefully before making any purchase.